Hi guys, this is Miss Remy here and welcome back to my channel. I would like to say a big thank you to my current subscribers and my new subscribers. And if you are a return viewer, I don't know why you haven't subscribed. So subscribe so you could be notified for whenever I post a video. And if it's your first time here, I do make videos about natural hair and DIYs. And today videos will be about how to make organic virgin coconut oil. Okay, and if you see what you like on my channel, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And be part of this growing family. Okay? So let's get to the video. So, like I have mentioned, we'll be making virgin organic coconut oil. As many of you know, there are two types of coconut oil. You have virgin coconut oil and cold pressed coconut oil. So, both of them have a different process. For virgin coconut oil, this is what we'll be doing. So, you will see how I make it, which involves heat. And cold pressed coconut oil does not involve any type of heat. I should also mention that cold press anything when it comes to oil, it's best because it has all the nutrition there. So compared to when you apply heat, and there is a level of the heat as well. So that's one thing. To go back to the oil, I have learned how to make coconut oil from my late grandfather, which when you live in the countryside, you have to know how to make everything within the town, because if not, you have to leave the town to go buy things. But hey, that's a different story. So if you guys would like to know how to make cold pressed coconut oil, let me know in the comment section below. I will be gladly to show you. It's a longer process, but that's fine. So today, the process for the virgin coconut oil that I'll be making, I think I took a little bit of the longer process, the longer step, and that's okay as long as you get the oil. So the things that you will need, definitely you will need coconut. Of course, you will need hard coconut, okay? And when you get your coconut, make sure that they break the coconut for you so you don't take rotten or bad coconut home, because once you get the bad coconut, the oil will not be taste good or smell good. So make sure they crack it, because at the store they crack about 10 coconut before they got me the ones that I got. So I only bought three small coconuts, and you will need coconut, you will need a pan, a pot, you will need a blender or a grater. Grater is for someone who does not have a blender, because it will take you longer to grate your coconuts, because that's what I used to growing up, and I hated it so much, so bad. So for it to be easier for you, use a blender so it could be finer. So once the coconut is finer, it's easier for you to abstract the milk from it. So after I cut the coconut to pieces, make sure you get dry coconuts, okay? After I cut the coconut to pieces, I wash my coconut, I put it in the blender with some water, then I blend it really nicely. Then this is the part that some people may not take, but I did. And you don't have to do this part if you're going to try making this oil. I think I did that because I wanted to the coconut shells to be really soft, so it will be much easier for me to get the milk from it. So I just put it in a pot. You will need a heavy pot that's solid, but not like a pan or something that you fry eggs, because it may really burn the very quickly, so you don't want it to burn or dry the milk from it. So I did that, and I removed it from I put it on really low heat. Then I put it aside, let it cool off, then take the milk from it. That part, I don't know why it wasn't recorded. It did not record, so sorry about that. So that's what I'm telling you. I just remove the pot from the stove, turn off the fire, then take the juice, the milk out of the. Right here, I'm just showing you how like a little piece of the coconut was bad. Don't get any coconut like this because it's no good. So this is how you can use the grater if you don't have a blender. But if you have a blender, girl, use a blender. It will make your life easier. Okay, so I'm going to fast forward. I already explained every part. You do not need to sit around and watch the whole thing. And that's the part I missed because I didn't show you guys how I squeezed the coconut so to get the milk. So once I did that, I put the milk in this little pot and then just let it boil until it turned into this oil with that type of creamy texture in it. Okay, and that creamy texture tastes so good. And here I'm showing you guys I was making carrots, what do you call it, turmeric and papaya oil. If you guys would like to see that process, let me know also. And with that, I don't know if you guys saw in that red pan over there, it was some type of brown things in it. I was making some mouth scrub with the coconut. Okay, oh my gosh, oh my god, guys, let me know if you like to see that because it was the best lip scrub ever. And I'm going to use that, the residue, to make some body scrub. Okay, it leaves your mouth so soft and ooh, let me know in the comment section below. Oh, if you'd like to see that. Oh, I got so excited I almost choked. But I think I've got a good amount for 3 small coconuts. And if you want more oil, you just have to use more coconuts. Okay? And you can use a cheesecloth just to drain your coconut, but I really didn't need that. And it's not something I'm about to sell or anything like that, just for my own personal use. Okay, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up what you like about it, if you've made coconut oil before or if you're going to try it. Let me know in the comment section. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed week, and I will see you on the next video.